Look at them all. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Turkey, 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 turkey. Good morning, world. Today hasn't been particularly a great morning. My ear is kind of blocked since yesterday. It's really aggravating me. I hear a little like almost whistling kind of like I could still hear out of it, but everything's muffled. Anyways, so I haven't been recording because it's been on my brain, but I've been doing a lot of little things. I'll show you. Okay, so I started putting the baffles. We're gonna finish with the cuts. You know, the cuts that go in there. You see those there? We're gonna put those cuts in there like we did on that side, and we spray foamed it. I also did the stairs. I fixed all the stairs. I cleaned it all up. And yeah, all the way down. We got some stairs, only last stair. But a lot of this is gonna change. So again, this is all temporary. All right, so I'm just gonna get back to this stuff. And I'll let you know when I'm done, and hopefully when I get home I can get some antibiotics or something to fix that, because it's really bugging me. Did you see that ladder? It bent. I just love this motion and prepping my foam to fill the void. You know what the crazy part is? That I used one can of spray to get into all those voids to make sure that I maximize the air going through my baffles out to where they need to go to the attic space up there. Anyways, that's not the point. The point is that costs me on average in Canada $20 a can with tax and everything. $20 fucking dollars a can. What the fuck is going on for spray foam? $20 a can, and that's all I can get done? Can you imagine having to spray foam an entire fucking place and buy by the can? Are you fucking mad? This is why I didn't pay the company to come out, because the company wanted like $12,000 to spray my fucking basement and up there. Yes, I know you'd get so much better coverage. You'd get so much better insulation. I get it. But at 12 G's, I insulated this place at fucking 4 G's. And you know what? Yeah, it's not going to be the same. I know. But holy fuck, the spray foam is nothing. It's garbage, expanding shit that destroys the fucking world. And yet, we pay a fortune for it. All right, so there you have it. 2 cans down, $40 in the toilet. And I think I sealed it pretty fucking good. It comes up. So all that's going to be insulated. I'm not too worried up there when it gets to there if there's a little air vent going, but that's all going to be filled with insulation. All insulation going all the way across. This side, I definitely got good. It is the bathroom, so I wanted to make sure we really, look at that. I massacred that corner, but that's because it's a cold spot and I want to make sure it's good. I also sprayed some in on those areas where the baffles are just to tighten it up. If I get another can and I have extra, I'll fill in those spots there. As you can see, yeah. We got pave done. We got stairs and stairs and stairs done. And we got baffles and insulation and sealing of the place and getting ready for winter. I'll be able to get some of the sealing done this winter. Probably about half of it will be finished and insulated more, meaning that our bill should go down. Not much, but it will go down and the place will get warmer and things will be getting better here. That means we're getting closer to getting the fireplace in. We're getting closer to getting fully insulated for winterizing. Next year, we're going to be pumping water through the place, which is awesome, man. There's so many fucking things. And yeah, the budget is extreme. All right, so before I run off and finish my weekend, I wanted to do this. I wanted to put those last baffles. I have 4 extra ones, and in here I never came up 8 feet. So I'm going to slide 2 middle ones, as you can see I cut out. I'm going to slide 2 middle ones down in there to come up. So at least we have 2 at 8 feet, and I'll do the same thing on the other side, 2 at 8 feet. will be all the way. I did the entire rest of the place is done with 8 foot, except I didn't do the front. And it's because I rush and sometimes I don't think because I partake. And when you partake, you don't think. So remember, if you partake, think before. Oh my God. I have it upside down, you fuck. I was wondering what's wrong. I got it upside down. There you have it. Open and closed. Shut, baby. The two of them now have extra 4 feet of baffling to get some extra air through because I didn't put them when I did it. And I'm not about to take it all down to do it. So those extra 2 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe those ones I'll be able to get to on the ends. 1/3 is better than 0/3. But everything else is all baffled all the way up except there, Mr. Chimneoli. That's where the chimney is going to go. See that? There's a chimney. It goes straight up in that area. And yeah, that's where the chimney goes. So that's why there's no baffling there. But we're ready to insulate halfway where those 4 foot marks go roughly. All the way. That can be totally insulated. I do have a vent that goes right here next year. And I do have a vent for ventilation for the dryer and the bathroom going right there next year. And we do have a chimney going right there next year. All projects to come on Kreative Builds. I ain't no pro. I do work in construction, so I do have some knowledge, but I do the best I can. And again, not for me, for those little ones that I'm leaving behind when my day comes. Remember, stay creative, buds. I'm out of here.